Welcome friends. In this session, we discuss two methods to find a rank of a matrix by elementary transformation. The methods discussed in this session are finding the rank by reduction to normal form, finding the rank by reduction to row reduced echelon form, also called reduced row echelon form or row canonical form. These methods are based on the following theorem. Theorem 1. Elementary transformation do not change the rank of a matrix. That is, equivalent matrices have the same rank. In other words, interchange of a pair of rows or columns does not change the rank. Multiplication of the elements of a row or column by any non-zero number does not change the rank. Addition to the elements of a row or column, the product by any number k of the corresponding elements of any other row or column does not change the rank. Normal form of a metric notation. The metric 1 0 0 0, 0 1 0 0, 0 0 1 0, 0 0 0 0 is denoted by I3 0 0 0, where I3 is the 3 by 3 identity matrix and 0 on the right of I3 is the 3 by 1 column 0 matrix, 0 below I3 is the 1 by 3 0 row matrix and the remaining 0 is the 1 by 1 0 matrix. Theorem 2. A matrix of rank R greater than 0 can be reduced to a canonical form of one of the following four types by a finite sequence of elementary transformation: IR 0 0 0, IR 0, IR 0, IR, where IR is the identity matrix of order R and each zeros are zero matrices of appropriate orders. Definition. Normal form of a matrix having rank R. One of the forms IR 0 0 0, IR 0, IR 0, IR, to which a given matrix A of rank R can be reduced by elementary transformations is known as the normal form of the matrix. Remarks. If the matrices A and B reduce to the same normal form through elementary transformations, then A and B are equivalent. Two m by n matrices A and B of the same rank will reduce to the same normal form. Reduction to normal form of a matrix. Example 1. Reduce the matrix A is equal to metric 1 2 1 minus 1 0 2 2 1 minus 3 to its normal form. Solution. A equivalent to metric 1 2 1 0 2 3 0 minus 3 minus 5 by R 2 1 1 R 3 1 minus 2, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 0 2 3 0 minus 3 minus 5 by C 2 1 minus 2 C 3 1 minus 1, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 0 1 3 by 2 0 minus 3 minus 5 by R 2 1 by 2, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 0 1 3 by 2 0 0 minus 1 by 2 by R 3 2 3, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 0 1 3 by 2 0 0 1 by R 3 2 minus 2, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 by R 2 3 minus 3 by 2. Hence, the normal form of A is matrix I3. Remark. It may be noted that while reducing a matrix to its normal form, we can perform both row and column elementary transformations. Example 2. Reduced to normal form, the matrix A is equal to 0 1 2 4 0 0 1 3 0 0 0 0. Solution. A equivalent to 1 0 2 4 0 0 1 3 0 0 0 0 by C 2 1, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 3 0 0 0 0 by C 3 1 minus 2 C 4 1 minus 4, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 3 0 0 0 0 by C 2 3, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 by C 4 2 minus 3. Hence, the normal form of A is I2 0 0 0. Method to find rank of a matrix by reducing to the normal form. We use the following theorem in the determination of rank of a metric using normal form. Theorem 3. If an m by n matrix A can be reduced to any one of the forms matrix IR0 0, matrix IR0, matrix IR0, matrix IR by a finite sequence of elementary transformations, then the rank of A is R. Method. The method of finding rank of a matrix by normal form is as follows. Step 1. By a finite sequence of elementary transformations, reduce the given matrix A to any one of the following forms. Matrix IR0 0 0, matrix IR0, matrix IR0, matrix IR. Step 2. Then the rank of the matrix A is R. Example 3. Find the rank of A is equal to matrix 1 2 1 minus 1 0 2 2 1 minus 3 by reducing to its normal form. Solution. By example 1, the normal form of A is matrix I3. Hence, rank of A is 3. Example 4. Find the rank of matrix A is equal to 0 1 2 4 0 0 1 3 0 0 0 0 by reducing to its normal form. Solution. By example 2, the normal form of A is I2 0 0 0. Hence, rank of A is 2. Example 5. Find the rank of the following matrix by reducing to its normal form. A is equal to matrix 1 2 1 0 minus 2 4 3 0 1 0 2 minus 8. Solution. By elementary row and column transformations, it can be seen that the given matrix can be reduced to the normal form. Matrix 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0, which is equal to I3 0. Hence, the rank of the matrix A is 3. Matrix in row echelon form. A matrix is said to be in row echelon form if each non-zero row with at least one non-zero element has more leading zeros than the previous row. The precise definition follows. Definition. A matrix is in row echelon form if all non-zero rows with at least one non-zero element are above all zeros in which every element is 0. All zero rows, if any, are at the bottom of the matrix. The leading non-zero element, the first non-zero element from the left, also called the pivot of a non-zero row, is always strictly to the right of the leading non-zero element of the row above it. All entries in a column below a leading non-zero entry are zeros, implied by the first two criteria. Example 6. The following three matrices are in row echelon form. Matrix 0 3 1 0 0 2 0 0 0, matrix 2 3 1 0 0 4 3 3 0 0 0 1 and matrix 1 0 0 0 0 2 3 2 0 0 5 0 0 0 0 7. But the metric 0 3 1 0 0 2 3 0 0 is not in the row echelon form. Remark. Note that if a matrix is in echelon form, then necessarily rows with all elements 0 will be grouped at the bottom of the matrix. Also note that if several rows have the same number of leading zeros, then the metric is not in row echelon form unless the rows in question are composed entirely of zeros. Row reduced echelon form. A matrix in row echelon form is said to be in row reduced echelon form, also called row canonical form, if it satisfies the following additional conditions. The leading non-zero element in each non-zero row is 1 and is the only non-zero entry in its column. The precise definition follows. Definition. A metric is in row reduced echelon form if all non-zero rows are above all zero rows, the rows with all elements 0. The first non-zero element in each non-zero row is 1 and the column containing that 1 has only zeros elsewhere. Example 7. The following matrices are in row reduced echelon form. Matrix 1 0 0 5 0 1 0 2 0 0 1 3, matrix 1 0 0 5 0 1 0 2 0 0 0 0 and metric 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 by 2 0 0 0 0 1 row reduced echelon form associated with a matrix. The row reduced echelon form of a matrix represent the simplest form to which a matrix can be reduced by elementary row operations. If the rank of a matrix A is R, then the row reduced echelon form to which A can be reduced is called a row reduced canonical form of A. Theorem: let A be a non-zero matrix with rank R. Then the matrix C obtained from A by a finite sequence of elementary row transformations is said to be the row reduced canonical form of A if the following conditions are satisfied. The first R rows of C contain at least one non-zero element each. The first non-zero element in each row is 1 and the column containing that one has only zeros elsewhere. If the leading one of the ith row is in the pth column and that of jth row is in the qth column, then I less than j implies p less than q. The remaining rows contain only zeros. Remarks: the reduced matrix C is also called echelon form or row equivalent canonical matrix or canonical matrix of A. The rank of the matrix in echelon form is the number of non-zero rows in that matrix, since C is obtained from A. By elementary row transformation, in view of theorem 1, we have rank of A is equal to rank of C is equal to number of non-zero rows in C. Method of finding the rank by reducing the matrix to the echelon form. By a finite sequence of elementary row transformations, reduce the given matrix A to the row echelon canonical matrix C. Then the rank of A is the number of non-zero rows in the matrix C. We bring the attention of the student that no column operation be done to reduce a matrix to its echelon form. Example 8. Find the rank of the following matrix by reducing it to echelon form. Matrix A is equal to 1 6 minus 18 minus 4 0 5 minus 3 6 minus 13. Solution: A equivalent to matrix 1 6 minus 18 0 24 minus 67 0 24 minus 67 by R214 R313, which is equivalent to 1 6 minus 18 0 1 minus 67 by 24 0 24 minus 67 by R2 1 by 24, which is equivalent to 1 0 minus 5 by 4 0 1 minus 67 by 24 0 0 0 by R12 minus 6 R32 minus 24. The matrix given just above is the echelon form of A. Since the matrix in echelon form has two non-zero rows, rank of A is 2. Example 9. Find the rank of the following matrix by reducing it into echelon form. Matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 0 2 4 3 2 3 2 1 3 6 8 7 5. Solution: A equivalent to matrix 1 2 3 0 0 0 minus 3 2 0 minus 4 minus 8 3 0 minus 4 minus 11 5 by R21 minus 2 R31 minus 3 R41 minus 6, which is equivalent to matrix 1 2 3 0 0 minus 4 minus 8 3 0 0 minus 3 2 0 minus 4 minus 11 5 by R23, which is equivalent to 1 2 3 0 0 1 2 minus 3 by 4 0 0 minus 3 2 0 minus 4 minus 11 5 by R2 minus 1 by 4, which is equivalent to 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 2 minus 3 by 4 0 0 minus 3 2 0 0 minus 3 2 by R12 minus 2 R42 4, which is equivalent to 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 2 minus 3 by 4 0 0 minus 3 2 0 0 0 0 by R43 minus 1, which is equivalent to 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 2 minus 3 by 4 0 0 1 minus 2 by 3 0 0 0 0 by R3 minus 1 by 3, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 minus 2 by 3, 0 1 0 7 by 12, 0 0 1 minus 2 by 3, 0 0 0 0 by R1 3 1, R2 3 minus 2. The above is the echelon form. Since the number of non-zero rows in the echelon form is 3, its rank is 3 and hence the rank of the given metric is also 3. Example 10. Determine the rank of the following matrix by reducing to echelon form. Matrix 1A B 0, 0 C D 1, 1A B 0, 0 C D 1. Solution. A is equal to metric 1A B 0, 0 C D 1, 1A B 0, 0 C D 1, which is equivalent to metric 1A B 0, 0 C D 1, 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0 0 by R3 changes to R3 minus R1, R4 changes to R4 minus R2. Three cases arise. Case 1. If C not equal to 0, then elementary transformation can be further made on the above matrix and obtain the following matrix. Matrix 1 0 B minus AD by C minus D by C, 0 1 D by C 1 by C, 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0 0. And since this echelon form has two non-zero rows, rank of the given matrix is 2. Case 2. C is equal to 0 and D not equal to 0. Then elementary transformation can be further made on the above matrix and get the following matrix. Metric 1A 0 minus B by D, 0 0 1 1 by D, 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0 0. And since this echelon form has two non-zero rows, rank of the given matrix is 2. Case 3. C is equal to 0 and D is equal to 0. Then elementary transformation can be further made on the above matrix and obtain the following matrix. 1A B 0, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0 0, and here also rank is 2. In any case, the rank of the given matrix is 2. Example 11. Find A comma B if the rank of the matrix A is 2, where A is equal to matrix 0 1 minus 3 minus 1, 1 0 1 1, 3 1 A B, 1 1 minus 2 A. Solution. A equivalent to 1 0 1 1, 0 1 minus 3 minus 1, 3 1 A B, 1 1 minus 2 A by R1 changes to R2, which is equivalent to 1 0 1 1, 0 1 minus 3 minus 1, 0 1 A minus 3 B minus 3, 0 1 minus 3 A minus 1 by R3 changes to R3 minus 3 R1, R4 changes to R4 minus R1, which is equivalent to metric 1 0 1 1, 0 1 minus 3 minus 1, 0 0 A B minus 2, 0 0 0 A by R3 changes to R3 minus R2, R4 changes to R4 minus R2. When the value of A and B is substituted, the matrix given last give the row echelon metric corresponding to the given matrix. Since the rank of the given metric is 2, rank of this echelon metric is also 2. Hence, the elements in the last two rows of the echelon metric would be 0. Hence, A is equal to 0 and B minus 2 is equal to 0, which on solving gives A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 2. Now, it is the time to conclude the session. In this session, we have discussed two methods to find rank of a matrix by elementary transformations. The methods have been illustrated through examples. These methods are so powerful that it helps to solve linear system of equations. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.